Zoom is a cloud-based video conferencing platform that can be used for video conferencing meetings, audio conferencing, webinars, meeting recordings, and live chat. In this tutorial, we will do an in-depth walkthrough of the Zoom platform, from setting up a meeting to customizing your audio preferences. After you've installed the Zoom app, you'll see two options: join a meeting and sign in. If you've been invited to a meeting, simply follow the link you were provided. Otherwise, click sign in. On the next screen, enter the email and password you used to sign up for Zoom. If you registered using the sign in with Google or sign in with Facebook buttons, click those buttons here and follow the prompts. Once you're logged in, you will see 4 tabs at the top of the screen: Home, Chat, Meetings, and Contacts. Make sure you are on the Home tab. To the right of the screen, you will see a snapshot showing any upcoming meetings scheduled for you to host or attend. To the left, you will see 4 buttons: New Meeting, Join, Schedule, and Share Screen. Join will allow you to attend a meeting you've been invited to, and edit your display name if desired. Below, you have 2 options. You can choose to mute your audio when joining the meeting, or turn off your video display. Please note that these can be changed during the meeting. Schedule will allow you to schedule a meeting for a future time. Enter the date and time you would like the meeting to begin, followed by the time it will end. Next, choose a meeting ID to be generated automatically, or use your own. It is recommended that you require a password for your meetings. Under Password, check the box and type your desired password. You can also leave this box unchecked so that anyone can join without a password. Under Video, you can change the video default settings for both your host and your participants. Enabling these will automatically connect the host or participant's video upon entering the meeting. The audio options allow you to choose how you or your participants will join the meeting, by telephone, computer audio, or both. Under Calendar, you can choose to sync this meeting to your Google Calendar, Outlook, or another calendar you have connected. Lastly, in the Advanced Options drop-down menu, you have several options. The waiting room feature allows the host to control when a participant joins the meeting. As the meeting host, you can admit participants one by one, or hold all attendees in the waiting room and admit them all at once. Join Before Host allows participants to join the meeting before the conference begins. Mute participants on entry will disable their audio when joining. However, they can still activate their audio during the meeting. Automatic recording is an option that allows the host to start local recording or cloud recording automatically when the meeting starts. The Share Screen button will allow you to share your screen with the participants. This is especially useful if you have presentations or videos you would like all participants to see in real time as you walk through them. Click Share Screen. You may see a prompt asking for access to your screen. Click on Open System Preferences, and in the menu to the right, scroll down and find Zoom. Check the box next to it and close the window. Enter the sharing key or meeting ID provided. You can now share your screen. Finally, the New Meeting option allows you to create a new meeting. A new window will load with 2 options: join the meeting with your computer's audio, or test your speakers and microphone to ensure they are working correctly. Click Join with Computer Audio. Once you're in the meeting, you will see several options at the bottom of your screen. Mute will turn off your audio in the meeting. This is recommended if you have several participants in the meeting. Muting your audio will reduce any background noise coming from your speakers during the conversation until you are ready to speak. The up arrow next to this option allows you to select or change your microphone or speaker during the meeting at any time. The Stop Video option will turn off your camera to the meeting participants. Your audio will still remain active unless you choose to mute or turn off your microphone. You can still participate and view the meeting even with both your video and audio turned off. The meeting participants will be able to see that you are still in attendance. Invite allows you to invite others at any time during the meeting. You can choose a participant from your contacts, or choose your email provider, and Zoom will open your email and paste the invitation into the subject field. Manage Participants will allow you to individually mute certain participants or change their display name. You can access other options by clicking the drop-down menu to the bottom right of the screen. Share Screen will allow you to toggle screen sharing on and off at any point during the meeting. You can also allow multiple participants to share at the same time or limit screen sharing to one participant at a time. The Chat option will display a chat box to the right of the screen where you can actively talk to the other participants in the meeting in real time. You can also share files with your team and customize who participants can chat with. Record will allow you to record the meeting so you can save the file for future use. You can pause the recording at any time and resume recording whenever you are ready. When you are finished recording, click the stop button. You should see a prompt in the top right of the screen indicating that the recorded file will be converted to MP4. When you are finished, go to the bottom right of your screen and click End Meeting. You can choose whether to leave the meeting individually or end the meeting for everyone. If you are the host, you can only leave the meeting if you have assigned another host to take your place. SPS at Home. Learning together wherever we are.